Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to open Arab National Bank account online. So the first step that you have to do is download the Arab National Bank or ANB application from the App Store or Google Play Store. Now from there, just open the application and log in with your existing credentials, or you can also tap New Customer to start the registration process. Now the home screen shows your account summary, quick actions like transfer, pay, cards, and accounts. Next is navigate to the Accounts section and tap Open New Account. So you will be presented with account type options, which are current account for daily transactions, savings account to earn profit, or business account for commercial use. So you just select the account type that best fits your needs and tap Next. Next is complete the personal information form with your full name, national ID number, date of birth, email address, and phone number. So all fields are required and must match your official documents. So your information is encrypted and securely transmitted. So just tap on continue when all fields are filled. Next step is Arab National Bank will send a one-time OTP to your registered Saudi mobile number via SMS. So just enter the 6-digit code in the verification screen, and the code is valid for a limited time shown by a countdown timer. So just tap on verify to confirm your identity and submit the application. Lastly is your Arab National Bank account is now open and is ready to use. So your new account number and IBAN are displayed on the success screen, and you can immediately start making transfers, bill payments, and using your ANB debit card. So screenshot your account details for your records. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!